English conversation practice for beginners. What do you do every day? I wake up. I wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning to start my day. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. After waking up, I do a few stretches to loosen up my muscles. I make the bed. I make the bed. I always make my bed as soon as I get up to keep my room tidy. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes to keep them clean and healthy. I wash my face. I wash my face. Washing my face with cold water helps me feel refreshed and awake. I exercise. I exercise. I exercise for 30 minutes to stay fit. I meditate. I meditate. I meditate for 10 minutes in order to clear my mind and reduce stress. I shower. I shower. I take a quick shower to feel clean and energized. I get dressed. I get dressed. After showering, I get dressed in comfortable clothes for the day. I make coffee or tea. I make coffee or tea. I made a cup of coffee or tea to enjoy while reading the news. I pray. I pray. I pray before having my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast, usually consisting of oatmeal and fruits. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I read the morning newspaper to stay informed. I watch the news. I watch the news. I watch the news to stay informed. I listen the news. I listen the news. I listen to the news to stay informed. I check the weather. I check the weather. I check the weather forecast to decide what to wear and carry if needed. I check my messages. I check my messages. I quickly check my emails and messages to see if there are any urgent updates. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I feed my pet before I have breakfast. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch for later. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes after I finished my breakfast. I wipe the kitchen countertops. I wipe the kitchen countertops. I wipe the kitchen countertops in order to remove food particles. I listen to music. I listen to music. I listen to motivational podcasts while getting ready for work. I drive to work. I drive to work. I grab my bags and drive to work at 8:30 a.m. to arrive on time. I'm Janet from Teach the Easy Way. You can say thanks by subscribing. And if you have already subscribed, you can say thanks by giving this video a thumbs up. And of course, you can share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.